Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to scrape Google Maps. So what you're going to do here is you have to install or add this Gmaps extractor to your Google extension. As you can see, you just have to click this, add to Chrome. And then what you're going to do next is click download. Tap this one, wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, it's downloading now. Once done, open your download folder and you will see this file or zip file right here. And all you have to do is to extract that file. Now go to manage extensions. And all you have to do is to turn on this developer mode, drag the file here, and you should see this. Okay, so this is what we call a Gmap extractor. Pin this by going to extension, tap pin, and you will see the icon above. So go back to Google Maps and then search for that specific, place or location. But before that, don't forget to log into your account. Okay, open Google Maps again, search for that specific location. Let's just say you're looking for hotels in Vietnam. Okay, press this search icon and you will see the following here. In order to scrape this places and location information, all you have to do is to click this start extracting, tap this one, and then as you can see, it's now processing your request. Once done, you can now download this with this file type. Wait for a couple of seconds as it is downloading. Now you can open this file in Google Sheet or Word, so everything is up to you. What you're going to do is to double tap or open with. So as a result, this is what it looks like. I open it in my Google Sheet. And that's it. That's basically how you scrape Google Maps. So if you want to suggest a topic or tutorial, please do comment down below and please do subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video tutorials.